Yeah. Hello everyone. Good evening. Hope everyone had their weekend enjoyable. And when the market, if anyone holds any positions from a Friday to Sunday, hope they are not in red. It has to be on white or else on a green, right? Just text me, is there anyone portfolio like whatever the position taken on Friday, when the market has been opened today, whether it is red or green or white. So we go into first we'll check whether is there any news, major news has been there at 7:15 or else any of the time. We'll check on it. Hi Shruti, good evening. Today there is no news regarding US, only there is one news that was yeah. So if we see there is no upcoming news, so we can go with purely technical. But tomorrow at the time of 7:30 we have Joel's job opening. It will affect the market, but not as a Fed rates and the ADP and all. We'll see how it was going to happen. And if you see overall here, whatever the rate marks, those will impact the markets. But I have said already, whatever the news is there regarding the tariffs and all, earlier Trump has given 30 as a validity, but later on after 15th around he has changed, like okay, after 30th also you can speak something, any country can come to us and can talk about the tariffs and all the charges like imports and exports, whatever the taxation we can talk. That means he is not purely strict at whatever the 30th he has given deadline for tariff, he is not strict at that. So this week also, whatever the month end news, it will be also little bit choppy, or else we cannot see any major impacts. 5 to 10% it was in general up and down on the news timings, but whatever the tariff, the major decision, it has been postponed. So we can proceed on with it as a temporary base news and all. First we go with a daily. What was the news, what was the moment and all. On a daily time frame, if we observe, the market is in huge consolidation on a daily time frame. That means still we can expect some more days. I'm expecting still a August month end. And whatever the range, this zone in a higher time frame I've been considering as a demand zone. Whatever the reversal, short order flow, and also by joining the previous resistance, it has been given broke. One time it was retracement, we can expect one more. Okay, now we'll shift to lower time frame. Everyone has to mention whether the any position taken on Friday which was open today or not, like which was on a positive or else on a negative. Just text me that on a chat box. On a 4 hours time frame, this was a demand zone. And also we have one more level, which is this. It's been consolidating at this range as of now. Yeah, coming to 1 hour time frame, this was a major demand zone actually I have been waiting for. Today actually I have taken position when the market has been made this red candle, but unfortunately I have made only $1. I have taken 0.001 till here, whatever the swing high is there, but whatever the market is there, and there is another open position at till the target point of 3305. Because on 15 minutes whatever the markets are there over here, it's been too much choppy. We'll see. For sell side, this is going to be a target point. When the market reaches here, but at the time based upon the whatever the current consolidation or else is there any demand zones formation, then we'll be looking into whether the gold is bullish or not, because we have major newses also, right? Even though if the news is negative for dollar, gold will be rising from here, because still we have 2 days, right? One day if we think. If the dollar is positive, obviously the gold will be falling. Our next zone is at 3164 to 3120. This was on higher time frame. Okay, make note of it. As of now, we have a zone only at 305. Yeah, that was good. If there is no trade open, it's okay. Okay, we'll check is there any. If we observe here on the gold, this is one of the supply formation, and this is one of the supply formation. Here it is one of the supply formation. Here it is one of the supply formation. Here it is one of the supply formation. That means gold is indicating purely bearish. Till where we have, it was 3305. I've been waiting for this since days, that the market to be retraced at 305. Okay, so we'll check on dollar. It should be a bullish formation, like whatever the selling formations are there on the gold. If the dollar also indicates the same, okay, dollar is bullish. Just now, few minutes before, the dollar has made a minor bearish. If we observe, this is a minor bearishness, minor reversal, and we have bullish reversal over here within this zone. In the morning sessions, dollar has not made any consolidation in the morning hours, or else in the afternoon. If we observe, it was a purely bullish, but gold has made a consolidation, so we have to be very careful Obviously, in any time frame, in one we are trading itself, we have to be very careful. We'll check. Okay, everyone, comment your assets which is the view you wanted to know, on which asset you wanted any view. Just text it on the comment box so that we'll asset that. So in dollar on 3 hours time frame, I got one of the zone. Okay, this is going to be our upcoming demand zone, and already we have plotted this a demand zone when the candle closes, and also in the further time there is no up movement on the dollar. After I think after 3 days it has been open gap down and it's been bullish. We'll check Bitcoin once. Bitcoin is also same as gold. It's been a huge consolidation, a small fake breakout, and then again it came for a resistance. This was earlier demand zone. It has been breached. So now Bitcoin is also bearish. We'll check on one higher time frame. I just wanted to include these base candles also. So as of now, Bitcoin is a bearish one. There is no proper bullish setup. Whatever the bullish formation is there, in this swing also, if we can see, there is a bearish formation. So I'm not considering this whole as a bullish reversal. If there is any bullish formations in between these, after the breakout of the structure, we can move to bullish again on Bitcoin. And we have nearest level, we have to consider swing highs, right? This will be a tradable zone if the market is bullish. Again, we have to see whatever the formations has been made at the time of the swing high. We have to see. As of now, on a 15 minutes ground, it was bearish. Okay everyone, this is the zone which we have to be very careful. It's a first retrace. We can expect a second. No one has texted their assets as of now. On Bitcoin, this was the major zone on a 1 hour time frame. And this was the demand zone. We will be following 1 hour and 4 hours, right? So we can look for any, like whatever this candle is there. If it forms any other candle, we can go for buy again till the resistance at 119,470. On shorter time frame, gold is about to change its direction for temporary. We'll see. As of now, it's bearish. There is no bullish formations also. Yeah, whatever the consolidations has been made over here, it's again consolidating. We can observe. I'm taking a swing low, not swing low, whatever the reversal is there. So this is going to be a non-tradable zone. We'll wait for market to cross any of the direction. This was 3 minutes. We are playing a game, a risky game. Bitcoin something shows a little bullish. Everyone text the asset classes, so I'm going to with whatever the assets are there. Crude oil looks bullish as of now. Okay, now I'll try to take any trade. I'm going to take one short trade on the gold. a few pips about the whatever the zone is there. First we'll go with 1:1. It was showing major bearish and whatever the bearish, minor bearish form. This is one of the major bearish formation and this is one of the minor one. Here also we got one of the minor one. We'll check whether it will hit 1:1 or not. This is one of the not exactly demand zone, because whatever this candle has been taken, if it was a base candle, that means the body should be less than 50%. It compares to candle high and low. Then I'll be considering this whole zone. If we consider as a minor also, from here the market is bearish. In 1 minute it was one of the small demand zone. So we'll see whether the market will reach the here or not. In the afternoon session, gold has irritated me very much. That is over here, because I have taken position around somewhere else here in the hey wait, what's the time? It's 1 minute, right? No, 15 minutes. Yeah, here around somewhere else, after this candle reversal, somewhere else here I taken. It has been irritated me till 4 o'clock, because I don't know how the market is going to move, because that's a short term trade. It's a scalping trade. Maximum more over 1 hour I won't be holding that. So it was a look, even though the market is looking bearish, but that was a trade of a 3 minute and 5 minute time frame. So I can't hold. So I have closed over here. If you see, after that the market is falling. Stop loss is somewhere else here. Bearish, we'll see whether it will hit the target or not. After this we'll take one more trade. Not only the 1:1, it was near to the zone which I have marked. We'll check how it will be going to move. It will irritate us if the market is on consolidation. but we have to be very patient. If you have any work, just fix for the stop loss and then you can go away. Here I wanted to say, I'm taking an example of indicator RSI, how to find that the market is going to be on range bound with the help of indicator, not from the price action. Along with the price action I will be saying. Yeah, if you observe here, the swing low and the swing is higher low. In the same way, if you observe whatever the swing low is there, and here it was whatever the swing low, it was a higher low, it was a lower low. This indicates market is bullish. And when you come here, if you observe, it was a one of the supply formation, and it is one of the supply formation. If you deep in observe, this is one of the major supply formation. That means RSI is showing a bullish hidden divergence, and the price action is making a bearish moments. In this case, market will be on consolidation. I think we have discussed this earlier in sessions or YouTube, I don't know. Now again try to listen. 15 minutes, right? We can hardly predict 3 to 5 hours, that's it. It's a consolidation. After this swing makes only. If we go something like in deep dive, this is one of the supply formation, and whatever this reversal is there, this will be a retrace point of the current swing. Then after, again there is another zone. This will be your retrace zone. Okay, it has been retraced. There will be no SL. This is the SL. It has been not triggered. So consolidation. After consolidation, the market has given a breakdown. You can even try with the RSI trend lines. That works more powerful. Like not completely powerful. You can give more importance to the RSI trend lines instead of the price action trend lines. If you observe where the trend line has been broken, with this candle the trend line has been broken. If we take whatever the swing low, I just wanted to show the other examples also, like to give a confirmation for price action, which will be the better. I'm taking Fibonacci. With a swing high and with a swing low. If we observe, the market has been taken a support at the range of 0.5 to 0.618, and it has given a slight movement, because obviously for any movement of the direction we need a small retracement. This was going to be a retrace. We'll try to check. I'm making this swing low and the swing high. If the market comes for a retrace, because we have a demand zone at 3305, right? Fibonacci also shows near to that, not exactly. If you observe this -1 from a bearish side and +1 from the bullish side. Okay, so now we need a retrace from the level of 33412 to 3338. We can think this as a, okay, we have taken this swing low, right? So that we can expect some sort of reversal, because we still have a time till tomorrow evening 7:30 or 7, right? How much time it was? 7:30. So it can make one small retrace, then after a bearish moment, then from here I'm expecting a buy moment. We'll check, because this is the zone I've been waiting for since long, right? I said already. Yep, it was whatever we have taken 1:1. It's completed. Now we'll try to take another trade. I'm closing. If the market breaches this level, whatever the swing low is there. Hello Ronit, good evening. Okay, we can consider this also as a zone. If the market breaches this zone, we can go for one short trade. We'll try. Gold is bearish as of now. Yeah, anyone has any queries, kindly text on the chat box, or else for else any of the asset class. We have 1.5 minutes. We'll wait and check. Ronit, USD, JPY. First we go with 4R and we'll try to find out the trend. It was been retraced to the previous and one of the strong supply zone. If we observe whatever the wick is there, it's a weak rejection, and also it was more than 25%. So hope if the volume is there, it's okay, market will be bullish. If if the volume is higher than the actual one, we can consider starting 3 to 4 candles. Then we have to think that okay, this reversal might be a fake, or else compared with the volume, it also can break the low of the structure and it can hit the target of 305. Gold is even bearish. Yeah, hello everyone, those who got newly, if the person is completely new, click on the subscribe button, right, so that you can receive a notice when we uploaded a video, or else if we are coming for live, you'll be seen over there as a notification. Looks like gold will be consolidating again. On 1 minute it was around 4 candles on the consolidation. On 1 minute we got one of the reversal measure. Okay, sorry, we are looking for USD JPY, right? It's going to be a consolidation and also a bearish. If you observe here, this is also one of the bearish, so it can take a resistance or else a support from here. Whatever the formation candle is there, that high as a entry. We'll be going with gold again. $3,305 is going to be a exit point. Yep, is there any other asset, guys? Hope today it will be a choppy market, that is consolidation, because of tomorrow's news might be. Looks like there is a minor demand zone over here on a 3-minute frame. Make note, it's valid only on the 3-minute time frame. So on the bearish market, I am risking some of it. We'll check with 1:1. Anyhow, it got retested after this candle closure. We'll check 3 minutes, right? Hardly 1 hour actually, but if it gives within 3 to 4 candles, it's well and good. We'll check anyone, like not only gold, not only taken position on the Saturday. Is there any long-term trades are going on currently on any asset class? Everyone kindly reply. It's still, it came back to its zone. We'll check whether it will give TP or SL. It has to give either any one of the thing. Till that, trade show would not be closed. Yeah, even though it's any account, the strategy will be mindset, right? Again, here it was making a supply zone. As of now, no stop loss. We'll be waiting for 10 to 15 seconds. Yeah, now it was a stop loss. I'm removing. We'll check one more. It was even bearish on a shorter time frame. Cells are in control. Yeah, Priyan, it's good. I also been on a sell position. What will be your TB point if it was a swing trading? Priyan, text in the chat box. 3305. It's been running since few days to reach the market over there. Okay, you have sold at 306. Nice then. Hey, 306 means, is it running on a stop? Sorry, somewhat like negative? Or else that was a target point. We'll check on crude oil once. Okay, you have bought at 3306, then it's okay. Okay, hold the target till 3306. Yeah, for me it was a 3305.345. That will be a exit point. We'll go here. Someone asked about crude oil. I am considering UK oil. Okay, it's okay, Priyan. I just asked at what price you have been sold a gold. It's okay. Coming to UK oil, we already have a zone. If I just wanted to increase the zone for higher probability, it will be a consolidation. That means you in the morning itself, when the market opens, it has been trading since from the resist support. We'll check on 15 minutes time frame. The crude oil has any levels. Crude oil, I'll be taking swing high and low. To the swing low. If you observe, okay, it should be a reversal. Yeah, everyone, any queries? Yeah, Fibonacci, if we observe whatever the market is retracing, (0.627), this will be one zone, and whatever the highest zone is there, that is 0 to 1.3, which was over here. And if we look, this is going to be a sell zone when the market touches the range of 69.5. Okay, this was the crude oil view on 15. It has been retraced to the previous supply zone, or else a consolidation zone you can take, because this is a retrace, the breakdown candle, and this will be a retrace. Obviously the next candle itself, if it comes there, we can knock around 1:1 on the same day itself. Okay, so this was about the crude oil. We'll check how the dollar is. Okay, dollar is bullish, that means gold will be bearish. It was running towards the pending order, that means 3305. Okay everyone, just try to watch it. What is the moment will be? This will be a supply zone and this will be a demand zone. If the market wanted to cross 3291, if a candle closes, then the market has been changed its direction till the next moment. Oh, it was at 3164. It's a too long. We can't expect now because still we have a news pending, right? Yeah, it's a bearish. Okay, I'm making a note. This will be our entry, a few pips below, with 1:2. It's 1:1.2. First go with 1:1.1. Okay everyone. If I wanted to reduce, we can place it here for 1:1. This will be a demand zone for the gold. Yep. Okay everyone, I think hope you have noted the levels of the gold, and try to, if there is any doubt or if you have not found any level, go to the recording, like whatever the YouTube, it will be on YouTube itself, right? So just look for do fast forwarding or else anything, find for levels, trade accordingly. Okay everyone, take care, have a safe trading day.